Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to change your email address for Wathering waves. Now there are multiple possibilities, one that allows you to do it and the other that doesn't allow you to do it, but there's a workaround to actually do it. Now the first step is to actually press escape. Now from there you open up the terminal and you head down to the bottom right of your screen where the cogwheel appears. Now from here we scroll all the way down till we find the account settings in the button. Now here we have the user settings, and for the first method all you have to do is connect your email address if you made your account with Google, Apple or Facebook, for example, and you can simply press link. Now from there you can link your own email address to whatever you would like, and from there you can change your email address. But as you can see, I can't change my email address as of now. Now what I can do is I can actually go back, quit the game from here, simply go to the title screen, and I will be back with you in a second. Now from here we want to go to the launcher of Wathering waves. So let's wait a couple of seconds, press yes, and as you can see we're right here. Now what we want to do is we want to head into the customer service. Now there will be a window opening up, and this is the only way as of now to change your email address. Simply select the day of timing. From there press continue, and from there describe your issue in detail. So make sure to note the email address wherever you want to change it to, and explain them in detail why you want to change it and what's the circumstance in what you can change it to. Now upload some attachments that it shows that it is your email, because they want to prevent selling accounts and therefore changing the email address. And from there you can actually change it. Now if this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.